In this video I will show you how to use coordinate-dependent values in interactions in Quanscient I have set up this small project with a simple ball which has a smaller ball inside for the purposes of our simulation. I have already set the material of the balls to gold. And then we can go to the physics section. We add solid mechanics. And then we want to clamp the model, and we will clamp the model from the surface of the smaller ball so that the ball stays in place. Next, we add a load from the surface of the outer ball, and we want to press the ball from the surface towards the center of the ball. To achieve this, we use the coordinate fields x, y, z, and since we want the pressure to be equal from all sides, we can simply say minus x, minus y, minus z for like this for each component. Then apply. And that's all. Then you can proceed to the actual simulation. For the purposes of this video, I have already pre-calculated this, and here you can see the result where the pressure is cleanly towards the center from all sides. That's it.